Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Joe. Welcome back to Mortal Kombat X. Today we're going to be playing as Ferra Torr with the Ruthless variation in the Classic Tower. Now, the previous episode I tried doing hot tamales and ginger ale. That was fucking wild. I was going to play as Reptile. So I'm going to change it up. You see that? If you've seen my channel, they will fucking kill you.
Shall we begin, Ferra?
Emperor say no spit out.
He's not here to protect you.
Not actually kill me, but you know, like, shit's gonna get real. In regards of, like, that is, like, Altoids are some powerful mints. Alright, what we got here? We got stab, stab, stab. Ba-ba-ba-da. Damn. Up next, three more.
Torlock on your head.
I should work as well.
I should do. Dude, this motherfucker is slow as fuck.
Break the face.
Round two, fight.
Ah, fuck it. I'm more willing to. Could you get out of my face though?
Wins.
I'm going to so regret this. One Mento. Altoid. Not Mento. Excuse me. Sub-Zero. Iceman.
Release the girl, beast.
We both fight snowman.
I will show you mercy. Round one.
Show me mercy. What do you mean? You now just gave me that? Do you not see who just lost damage? Obviously it's fucking Frost Snowman. Dude, that's some bullshit. That's some hot potato type shit.
Round two, fight.
ha, you missed. No. Fuck. Oh shit. Come on, fucker. Finally. I had something. Scorpion. All the colors of a fucking rainbow.
2 versus 1.
Together, Ferra Torr on beat.
But I will divide and conquer. Round 1. Fight!
That ain't cool.
Round 2. Fight!
Dude, I hate that. I just wrote. Does he use her as a fucking? Wait. Yeah. What the fuck? Whoops. Yep. Okay.
Victory! Woo! Good Torr.
Ferra Torr wins.
What you thinking of? Jax. Oh, I haven't fought you in a while. Okay, we got an actual good match going on here.
Your friend doesn't say much.
Me here, Torr. Fine.
Telepathy or just crazy? Round 1. Fight!
I want to say I got hit, so with the amplified attack. So I'll give him benefit of the doubt and I'll take the blame. Oh. Two Mentos. Damn.
Fatality.
Alright. Let's see where this goes. Down the rabbit hole we go. Jackie Briggs. Oh shit, we're going all the Briggs today? Damn.
Aren't you a big boy?
He all mine.
You need some new friends.
Damn, that is fucked up to say. Like, I'm just trying to... There we go. Okay, maybe Crazy Jax. Maybe you were correct. crazy fun. Okay, that's amplified. You ever follow the same fate? Why not? Ooh.
Wins. Fatality.
Here she honors. Go to sleep, bitch. Predator. 3 Mentos so far. Not bad. But that will be insane in my mouth. Finally.
Make that, Torr!
Round 1. Fight.
Oh. Alex just swings Ferra like a fucking ragdoll.
Round 2. Fight.
I realized that with, yeah, like that, it's, he's very slow. I'm not a big fan. What the fuck? What the fuck? Get away from me. I'm at 6 now because of that. I went from 3 to 6 because I got blasted 3 times in a row with the amplified shots. What the fuck? Yeah, that was wild. That was just wild.
Your voice is somewhat annoying.
Well,
That's considerate.
Round 1. Fight.
down again! Break the face!
Round 2. Fight.
Break the face, break the face. Ah, fucker. Ah. There we go. I don't think I really got hit with any amplified attacks, so I think I'm okay. Now I'm fighting against Goro, so yes, big boy versus big boy. Let's figured it out. Who will win?
Forearms.
You are a worthy opponent? Oh, thanks. You know, I take that with a grain of salt and some respect. Oh. Nope.
Round 2. Fight.
Yeah, look, we're like the same height almost. That was an accident, but I did it. Oh my. That was an accident. I forgot you can just do that. Also, I am over a quarter to a million. Shin hooker, let's do this. Are you gonna make my Mentos life even harder? Or are you gonna make it easier?
You offend me, creature.
We said, then bread.
The Torr will thank me for this.
Round 1. Fight.
Oh, fuck you. No. There we go. Oh my god. Okay.
Round 2. Fight.
Alright, block breakers do not count. Those not attacks, that's retaliation against attacks being thrown. It's like, hey, get me out of this fucking situation, I'll fucking... Ooh. That was good.
Final round. Fight.
No, I'm gonna play it safe. Here we go. Fuck. Okay, that's one. Eight Mentos. What the fuck? Did the game just fucking, like, glitch itself? That was so weird. I legit just glitched the game. That was so weird.
For many years, Ferra and Torr were a symbiotic pair, as is natural with their species. But that bond was broken when Ferra came of age and began the Great Transformation. Ferra Torr returned to the Tarkatan Wastes, where Ferra began her metamorphosis. The process took an agonizing 3 outworld years, during which time Torr withered Now a brute, Ferra will be chosen by a rider. A new symbiotic pairing will be forged, and new battles will be won.
Damn. Okay. Well, anyways, that is my gameplay with Ferra, Torr, Ruthless, Variation, the Classic Tower. We're not done yet, because I have eight fucking Mentos. Oh boy. Oh boy. Give me a moment. Straight out the fridge. I'm going to hate this very much. Here we go. Ow. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, it's bad. Oh. Oh, no. That's horrible. Oh. Holy shit. Oh, boy. I am fucking burning with the ice dragon shit. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Holy fuck. If you enjoyed this episode, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to listen to more of my music, watch more of my episodes, more of my long plays. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye. Bye.